Okay, here we are, camera running our Gummies scale. So we've got a large vibration hopper with a sifter pan on it. You can see the little holes there that we get rid of the extra little residues, not on these particular gummies themselves. Then it's going to climb the hill in the bucket conveyor and come up top here to a unique scale for us. So on the scale, we've got a moving top cone here that collects the gummies. The gummies then come out, delivered to the top level hopper. Second level is the weight. Then what's unique here is if everything gets good weights, we actually drop down through the center. Anything that is established as a reject will come through the back and then be isolated down. The advantage to this is that we do not have to slow down. It keeps our speeds at a high rate. This particular scale is capable of doing 100 drops per minute. The application right now is only doing about 60 to 70. So we're going to turn it on here. So as usual, we have a level control system here. We only ask for more product when needed. It comes through the scales, and you can just hear how fast this is dropping our target weights, which I think is about 240 grams. We will be integrated into a cup filler down below with Speedy, who is supplying that. We don't have that here today. That's going to be integrated on location at the customer's facility. There. I don't know if you saw that or not, but one just rejected. So if we get something that's going to not fit into our calculations and our tolerances, we will put it down through the back. And thankfully, we're not getting a lot of those. I'll go downstairs here before we run out. And we're going 240, and we're looking at 68 a minute. Two shoots. This will obviously drop down into the Speedy system, and the second cone here is for any rejects, unqualified targets. There you go. Very unique little fast moving system from Cam.